Hello guys, so welcome back, and for those who are new, welcome to the channel. This is where I discuss my progress for my learning in art and how I am utilising it to improve my techniques very quickly. So this is another ballerina, and this pose was really difficult for me personally to draw because of the basically bending our back backwards and at an angle. So again, 1, 2, 3 drawings with this fourth space for a quick summary and analysis of how you are getting on. So I'll get on with it. So it's good speed, and I actually thought it turned out a lot better. There'll be other people that are going to say this is terrible, but for a first attempt for me personally, I felt it turned out basically it turned out better than what I originally thought. It's this area here, well, this area right here, that I'm finding it quite difficult to capture, especially in people who are basically folding themselves in half. So the upper body needs work. I utilised the geometric and observational methods for all three. If you're new here, I am generally kind of utilising those methods a lot more for more complex positions and drawings, and compared to drawings in the past, this is how I am progressing very quickly. So second drawing is good speed as well, still not quite 100% happy with it, but again, these are basically sketches for the initial kind of drawing and layout of what would be a future project, like for underneath a painting. So it's basically the outline. So yeah, felt as if the head was a lot better compared to the first one, and the left arm was a lot better than the first one. But again, this area needs a lot more work. It's more protruding out the way instead of, I just don't know. Let me know what you think, what should be happening. The third one was a little bit better. This time I actually looked at the lines, so it's more observational, and then geometric afterwards, where once I got the lines in. So I started off with seeing where the lines were in proportion and to the rest of the drawing, the rest of the actual outline of the lady. Now this might not be the best way, especially when you're drawing people, but I was just trying to think of ways to basically capture this image, and I feel as if it was a lot better than, say, the second one. So I believe it's a lot better than the first two, especially this area here. And you can see that she's doing a position or a pose. She's mid pose, and she's putting her head, her back, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's just, I just feel as if it's a bit flat. So let me know what you think, and get back to me what you would do. And if you're new, thank you so much for joining, and I shall see you next time.